Hey guys, hope everyone is doing well. In this video, I will explain about ELK, SIM tool architecture. Okay, so it is an open source tool and also even ELK vendor, it will provide commercial as well. So if you want, you can use as a SIM tool of ELK open source tool. Otherwise, we can purchase using commercial licensing as well. So that is the way how this ELK. But if you're using open source, it will not provide full-fledged correlation rules or features. But if you are purchasing the commercial licensing of the ELK tool, it has out of the box correlation rules, and also it has a lot of other features like a threat hunting or visualizations or dashboard creations. There are a lot of other features it will support in case you are purchasing commercial licensing part. Let's start. So here log, nothing but log sources. Every organization, it will maintain the different types of log sources, starting with network related log sources like a router, switches, load balancer, wireless LAN. Okay, so all those will fall under the network, and security related log sources like our EDR, DLP, encryption, antivirus, malware analysis tools, file integrity monitoring, next generation firewalls, proxy, IDS, IPS, vulnerability management, email security or email gateway solution, web gateway or application gateway. So all the servers, all the databases, all the applications, so all the cloud related logs, all those will fall under the log sources. So ELK tool mainly contains the three components. So first component name is Logstash. Second one is Elasticsearch. Third one is Kibana. Okay. So Logstash, why it will use for collection of the logs from different types of log sources, as I mentioned earlier. And so once it will collecting, then it will do the additionally collection of the logs. It will do transforming of the logs, and also it will do the filtering and also parsing and also normalization. All those will be done by Logstash. So for those logs, it will send it to the Elasticsearch. Elasticsearch, it is like a search engine. Okay, so even it can take care of the query based search engine. For this one, it will use SQL based queries. And Elasticsearch additional, it will do analysis of the respective logs. Whenever any security incident investigation it is happened, if you want to deep dive or if you want to do the deeper investigation, so where we have to do Elasticsearch using the SQL queries. Okay, so most of the cases, our investigation is completely depending on the Elasticsearch only. Okay, so and also it has a backend correlation rule engine. So different types of correlation rules and also different types of customized or inbuilt correlation rule it contains. Now, whenever any malicious or abnormal or suspicious activities happen from the attacker point of view or hacker point of view, or maybe internal employee, they are trying to do the insider threat or internal attack, based on the correlation rules or use case, whatever we configured, it will hit that particular logic or condition or schema, and finally front end of the Kibana alerts will be triggered or instance will be triggered. So why will use Kibana? Kibana is mainly for the visualization, like a graphical representation of the respective incidents or bar chart or pie chart, and managing of the cases. Here, what is the case here? Basically, any security incident or alert is called case. So managing of all the instant investigations and alert notifications can be handled by Kibana. So for log integration side, so I'm repeating once again what are the functions of these three. Logstash is for the storing of the logs, collection of the logs, and also aggregation of the logs, parsing, normalization, and transforming of the logs. And Elasticsearch is for the querying purpose using SQL queries and analyzing of the logs. And also even it will take care of the indexing of the logs. And Kibana is for the dashboards creation, visualization creation, and also case management to take care of the instant investigation or forensic analysis. So what are the different types of log integration methods ELK tool is supporting? ELK tool is supporting file beat collectors. It's a collector agent method basically. It will support two different types of log integration method. One is syslog server method. Second one is collector agent method. So syslog server, you know how to integrate logs using syslog server method, and port number is 514. So next one is collector agent. In ELK tool, collector agent name is called as file beat or beat collectors. So for if you want to collect the Windows logs like a laptop or workstation or desktop or Windows servers, or maybe MacBook, or maybe Unix servers like a Red Hat Enterprise Linux or CentOS or Ubuntu or Debian or SUSE or Peroda, we have to use file beat collector Unix agent. So collector agent name in the ELK tool is file beat collector for Windows and file beat collector for the Unix operating system. So using these two different types of log integration methods, syslog and collector agent method, so it will collect the logs by log stash, and it will store, and it will do filtering and transforming and also normalization, aggregation. All those will fall under log stash. And Elasticsearch is for the search queries using SQL queries and also analyzing of the respective logs. And finally, case management and the dashboards and visualization, everything will be done by respective Kibana. So maybe you have a question, then where can we write a correlation rule or use cases? We can write under the Elasticsearch. So this is also same as it is. It's a real architecture diagram. All these are log sources, and log stages for the collection using file beat collector and syslog server method from all these log sources. Then it will send and it will do parsing and transformation, and also it will do the parsing and filtering. So then it will do the indexing part, and also it will do querying part and analyzing part, and finally alerts will be triggered into the Kibana. So this is the way how the ELK tool will work. It will work. So even competitors of the ELK tools like a Securonix, Exabeam, and also Splunk tools. These three tools also working similar concept. Splunk, Securonix, and also next one is Exabeam. Okay, even Azure Sentinel also. These four is working same concept whatever ELK is doing. So similar functionality based on the search query. It's like a Google engine. If you don't know something, we'll go to the Google and we'll ask the query, and finally response will come back from the Google. Same way. So along with the ELK, Splunk, Sentinel, Exabeam, and Securonix tools also we're working similar concept. But on the other hand, IBM QRadar, Logarithm, McAfee, RSA, Cisco Managed Engine, PortSIM, Event Tracker, all these are completely user friendly, and we no need to remember any queries, and we no need to write any queries. It's a very simple and very straightforward. Okay, that's all guys. Thank you so very much for watching the video, and so have a great day.